Yeah, good morning, everyone. Uh, US market continue to hit new highs and continue to remain strong. Whereas today morning, Asian markets are a bit mixed, wherein a few markets are showing positive trend, whereas market like Hong Kong uh, and New Zealand's are down. Other markets are positive. What we had seen that dollar index is showing some sign of moving up from bottom of around 96 that has moved to 97.8. Generally, whenever the dollar index move up, it is act as negative for emerging market, and that is being seen in few of the market as well. Apart from that, commodities are comparatively better, wherein though aluminum is down by around $1, but other commodities are marginally positive, like copper is up by around 0.5. Iron and steel are also up by around 0.5%, and oil is more of a flattish. So overall, seems like though the futures are indicating lower opening, but what we see that market is likely to see some positive trend from the bottom, considering that today the GST new rates are getting implemented, and there will be a positive environment because of that. And A lot of auto companies and other companies are trying to push the sales in next 10 days to make up for whatever they have lost in last 15, 20 days because of the lower GST rate, and customers were not purchasing that, and can make up for the results of the second quarter. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open with a gap down opening, and we're likely to witness some sideways momentum during the day. On the technical front, last week was a good week for the Nifty since we have seen almost 1% gain on weekly basis. Now, going ahead, as we see that the 25,400 is acting as a very crucial resistance zone, and somehow Nifty manages to give a closing about 25,300 levels, which gives some sort of a relief sign on the technical front. But due to the global negative news, we are likely to witness the gap downs openings. Now, on the technical part, the support is placed at around 25,240. Any move below that level will see the extension of the fall or say the profit booking, which will take a Nifty on the downside towards 25,170 to 140 levels. Whereas on high side, 25,440 is the initial resistance level. Any move above that level, 25,540, 25,600 levels can be seen on the high side. The view is positive, but yes, on the news basis today, we are likely to witness some sort of a hit into the market. But no worries, Nifty will try to find out the support levels on the lower sides. Coming towards the bank Nifty, 55,520 is the initial support level. Below that level, 55,380, 55,200 levels can be seen, whereas the resistance is placed at around 55,820, 56,000 levels. That's it from my end. I request everyone to team to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. On the derivative front, the open interest has come down a bit from 1.9 odd crore shares to about 1.77. That is a good sign. PCR also below 1, and overall VIX is near the lows. So, yeah, I mean, there are chances that we might open lower, but in all likelihood, we should take good support from 25,300, 25,250 odd levels for the Nifty futures. So definitely believe some buying can come in from lower end. So yeah, look out for the same. The data still continues to be positive for the next few days. Small resistance around 25,500 is there, with the second highest call built up around those areas. Once that is broken, we can see Nifty going up towards 26,000 levels. But overall data being positive, we do expect this 25,500 to break on the upside. Now, from the stock specific front, believe banks are one sector where lot of buying can happen. Short covering action has started in PSUs. A lot of stocks have witnessed breakout. Even in some of the private banks, some good buying is going on. So yeah, look out for the same. Some good buying can happen in most of these stocks. Yeah, that's it from my side. Like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Neerav. Good morning, everyone. Today, Ganesh Consumer Products Limited IPO is opening and it will be closed on 24th September. The price band is set at rupees 322 at the upper end. We are recommending subscribe to the issue. The issue size is of around 409 crore and the post-issue market cap would be around 2,524 crore. The company is a FMCG company headquartered at Kolkata. It is one of the top players in the packaged food industry in East India, with a growing presence in the consumer staples such as spices and ethnic snacks. It is present across various distribution channels such as general trade, modern trade, and e-commerce. Um, uh, Out of the issue, offer for sale worth rupees 279 crore from promoters and investor group, and fresh issue worth rupees 130 crore, of which rupees 60 crore would be utilized for the debt repayment, and 45 crore would be utilized for the capex to set up the roasted gram flour and gram flour unit. In terms of valuation, if we look at the company's market share in the West Bengal, it is around 41% in FY25 by revenue for the wheat-based products, and which includes the wheat flour, maida, suji, and dalia. If you look at the company's overall revenue, it has grown at around 18% CAGR from FY23 to FY25. It is well above the peer average. Return ratios are also at around ROE at 15.6% and ROC at 18.2%. Operationally, it has a cash conversion cycle of around 21 days. The balance sheet is healthy with low debt to equity ratio of around 0.3 times. And also 60 crore of debt repayment will further improve the ratio. Company is valued at around 37 times to FY25 EPS, which is at discount to peers, considering their diverse business and strong East India presence. Overall, the strong growth, better efficiency, and brand expansion is expected to support the outlook for the company. Thus, we recommend subscribe to the issue. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. So on the IT sector news, we saw a lot of news and then clarifications flowing in regarding the H-1B $100,000 implied visa fees. So as per the clarifications, this hefty fees would apply for the fresh new visa applications starting from Feb 26. Those employees already working in this category do not have to pay this fees. So most of the mid-cap IT companies like Coforge, Persistent, Emphasis, and many others have reported to the exchange that they will not have material impact on financials due to this new fees. Plus, however, we have to see how US courts react to this proclamation. Our take is that it would be a neutral effect to the IT firms in the near term. However, further delays and slowdown in the industry cannot be ruled out in the medium to long term time frame. And this announcement has also created shockwaves in the industry. So we can see the stocks under pressure for now. Thank you.
Good morning. One IPO will be opening today. The name of the company is Atlanta Electric Limited. The IPO price band is rupees 718 to rupees 754. Atlanta Electricals Limited is Gujarat-based transformer manufacturer with over 3 decades of experience and a diverse portfolio catering to utilities, renewable energy, railways, and industrial sectors. Its order book of 1,643 crore provide good visibility. Key risks include raw material price volatility, regulatory changes, and competitive price pressure. On peer comparison, Atlanta demonstrates superior efficiency with asset turnover of 2.5 times versus peer average of 1.4 times. Return ratios are robust, like ROCE of 39% and ROE of 34%, well above the peers. Uh, margins 15.6% remain below the average of 21.6%. The company's recent capacity expansion to 63,000 MVA and ability to manufacture 765 kV transformers position it for a larger and more complex projects. Company's valuation are in line with the peer of EV by EBITDA of 30.4 times and uh, versus 33 times of the peers, and P of 48 times versus 45 times of peers. Backed by capacity build-up, strong order visibility, and industry demand tailwinds, we recommend subscribe rating to the IPO. Thank you.
Yeah, that's all from us. I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. In gold and silver, prices are trading in a momentarily positive. So buying on dips is recommended. Gold, one can initiate a buy around 1,09,650 with a stop loss of 1,09,350. On upside, 1,10,000, 10,300 are the levels where one can book profits. If prices are sustaining and closing above 10,300, then further upside is likely to be witnessed. Wherein silver buying on dips around 1,29,400 is recommended with a stop loss of 1,28,400. On upside again expected to test 1,30,400 on the upside. If prices are sustaining above that, then fresh buying is expected to be witnessed. And in metal front, copper can buy around 904 with a stop loss of 899. On upside, expected to test 910, 912 on upside. So accordingly, can book profits. And zinc to buying with a stop loss of 274.50, and on upside again test the resistance area at 280.81. And in crude oil, one can sell on rise. Prices are resisting 5,600, so selling around 55.70, 55.80 with the stop loss of 56.50, and on downside expected to test the support area at 5,500, 54.50. Natural gas too, prices are expected to open gap up. Prices, if sustain about 255, then we expect uh, pullback till 270 to 75. So buying with strict stop loss of 248 is recommended. That's it from us. Thank you very much.